Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone screen goes black during calls. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Turn off reduce motion. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap accessibility. On the accessibility page, tap motion. Turn off reduce motion. Solution number 2. Turn off rise to wake. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap display and brightness. On the display and brightness page, turn off rise to wake. Solution number 3. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap journal, tap software update. Software update is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Solution number 4. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap journal, scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset all setting. Again reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.